So the story is, first of all, I met David Hammons circa when I was probably at the Neighborhood Arts Center. And I was there from 75 to 77. And he may have started coming around in that period of time, probably 77, 78, 79 in there. By then I had enrolled in Atlanta University for my master's degree. But in any case, you know, he was the kind of, is the kind of artist who, I mean, he took life as it were, you know, and poked fun at the art world. So let me just tell you how this piece, On Loan, came about. Because prior to that time, or in that time period, he also had created Free Mandela Now. And I remember that was probably in the early 80s, and it was before he received the MacArthur Award. I remember that because I was taking some classes down there to Woodruff Park, where he was doing it at the time. Anyhow, so, and over the years, when I would go to New York City, I would bump into David on the street, which was kind of, you know, miraculous. And I would visit his studio, and he'd be making these artworks and that kind of thing. So at some point, much later on, we're talking probably the 2000s. So you can see how many decades went by. I bumped into him at the the Black Art Show that they had in Manhattan. And I said to him, David, I said, we really want one of your works for Clark Atlanta's collection. He had recognized that I was very much involved here and with the collection. But at the same time, when I asked the question, I kind of knew. I said, I don't know if what he's going to be able to give up. You know, I know how we artists are. So I said, but I had the perfect piece. I said, I know what piece I want. He said, you do? I said, yeah. I said, I want the piece entitled On Loan. And that was this piece that I saw at the time in Chicago. It was an exhibition there. I can't remember the name of it, but it was on view there. And he said, well, okay, all right. He chuckled. And I said, but I'm going to need the gift of the document where the artist gives the work. And he said, well, you know, Tina, I'm not coming down there to install that work. I said, yeah, I kind of figured that much too. He said, but let me tell you how to do it. He said, just get some masking tape and make the shape of the painting. He said, and then what you do is go to the bottom of your shoe, just take a little of the dust off of it, like that, and then you just dust it along the edges. You dust it along the edges very lightly because you don't want it to be heavy. He said, so just take your hand from the bottom of your shoe and just work it and create this shadow. Now, you all we're not going to see that right off the top. And I laughed and laughed and laughed. And I came back and I installed it the way he told me to. So, and sometimes it takes a little more than, I might not have that much dirt on there, but it's not like you're going to see, because you don't want it to be so obvious. So it's going to take a minute. I might have to take some dirt off of your shoe in a minute. My shoe doesn't seem to be that dirty. It doesn't feel like dirt's coming up, but I'll